In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow TradingView on Tradovate. Now, the very first thing you have to do inside Tradovate is go to the top right when you're signed into your account and click on Application Settings. From here, you want to go to Add-ons, which is the second to last tab up top. And from here, you'll see the first tab is going to be TradingView, okay? So it says you have to enable TradingView access, of course, this to access your Tradovate accounts, etc. And of course, this will cost $10 per month. So if you want to allow TradingView on Tradovate and then use your Tradovate account on TradingView, you'll have to click on the buy button over here. And then you have to, of course, set the payment methods up and then pay for it, and you'll get the access. Whenever you do that, you can then go to TradingView, and inside TradingView, hover over products up top and click on Supercharts. I would also recommend you sign into your TradingView account or create one if you don't have one yet. It's super simple. You can find it on the main page of TradingView. Then go to the top right and click on Trade. And then from here, you want to go to the top right again and click on this search button. What you want to do here is just type in Tradovate. So if I type in trade, there we go. As you can see, Tradovate is over here. I can just click on it, and then you can select either demo or live. I'm going to do demo and click on the connect button. It's going to take you to a separate tab over here where you essentially are going to have to sign in. So you have to click on login over here after putting in your credentials, and then it's going to log you in. And there we go. Of course, for me, I can't do it because I am not entitled. I haven't added the add-on. I haven't actually paid for it. But whenever you pay for this, you'll get the access over here, and that's how you can connect it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.